this video, we will explore 7 smart apps to help you share PC to mobile effortlessly. From user-friendly interfaces to seamless connectivity options, these tools offer a range of functionalities to meet the diverse needs of folks. Number 1. Best PC to Mobile Transfer App Assistant for Android. Firstly, experience the convenience of transferring data from your PC or Mac to mobile effortlessly. With Mobikin Assistant for Android, this remarkable mobile-to-PC transfer app provides a seamless and straightforward data transfer solution. Now, download this software before initiating the PC to phone file transfer without hassle. Step 1. Run Mobikin Assistant for Android. Step 2. Have your Android phone detected. Step 3. Initiate the PC to mobile file transfer. Number 2. Google Drive. Google Drive is a secure PC to mobile file transfer app for Windows 11 10.8.7 macOS or smartphones. Ideal for collaborative work, it stands out for its cloud-based capabilities, allowing easy file access from anywhere. Number 3. AirDroid. AirDroid, available for Android, offers robust mobile management tools, including file transfer, remote device control, and screen mirroring. Its cross-platform support enhances its appeal. Users can transfer various files wirelessly across platforms and remotely. Number 4. SHAREit. SHAREit is a top-rated app to send or share files from PC to Android mobile, ensuring swift transfers of various file types. With its user-friendly window and robust capabilities, this smart product stands out as one of the leading file migrating software globally. Number 5. Xender. Xender is a decent PC to Android file transfer software with over 5 million users, offering seamless transfers across various platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, PC, and Mac. It promises rapid speeds up to 40 megabytes per second, accommodating diverse file types without size restrictions. Number 6. Feem. Feem performs speedy files transfer from PC to mobile, surpassing Bluetooth. As a clever data sharing app, it supports unlimited content transfers and operates directly between devices, making it a reliable choice. Number 7. Pushbullet. Pushbullet is more than just a file sharing app for PC to Android. It offers text messaging, call notifications, and personalized alerts. Its unique feature is mirroring Android notifications on your PC, enhancing its utility.